The way I like to think of it, it's only one stock market, but 3 different stocks, okay? Couple private companies that never went public. But I like to look at this plaza as the representation of stock traders. What am I saying? Down here, when you look at Starbucks, you got the people who took a look at the fundamentals. They like the fundamentals. They like the core business. You like the coffee. They do have a unique product. You can't get quote unquote Starbucks coffee anywhere else. Okay. Now, when you go back down here and look at GameStop, I want you to think about it. When you look at GameStop, okay, was the line wrapped around the corner? No. Fundamentals of the business, are they good or negative? Negative. Okay. Do they sell something that you can only get at GameStop? No. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Best Buy. You can get it at multiple other places. So from an investment standpoint, not really interested, but the difference between a Starbucks and a GameStop, the Starbucks is going to be in the S&P 500, possibly the Starbucks is going to be in your 401k, possibly Starbucks is going to be more of an investment, where the GameStop is just going to attract mostly the younger investors who are new to the stock market and just excited about everything what's going on. And then we got our friends in the middle, T-Mobile, who represents a steady growth stocks and a different opportunity. Because here's the thing, T-Mobile bought Sprint. I don't know if they're the number 2 or 1 carrier right now. I don't know between them and Verizon, but what I do know is that T-Mobile's been building out their network, building out their 5G, increasing their coverage, increasing their customer service. And cell phones is something that everybody's gonna have to have. T-Mobile has a bigger international presence and their plans are pretty simple. So from a business standpoint, line's not wrapped around the corner, but everyone needs a cell phone. And every time a kid turns 10 now, it used to be 16, but when they turn 10, guess what? They're getting a cell phone. So I actually like the business side of T-Mobile as well. I don't even think we need to go in there to talk about it though. You know, I think the big picture that I want you to take away from is there's one stock market, and then you got well-known companies who sell a product that everyone loves and that is global and doing their thing. You got the T-Mobiles of the world who are in a different sector in the industry. And then you got your GameStops. And with your GameStops, it's pretty much like you could be whoever you want. You could be a meme stock trader. You could be a Starbucks or a T-Mobile investor. I think what's important is for you to understand what your goals are with your investing, what your goals are with your trade, and what's your methodology, and make sure you find companies that fit that methodology. That's the real thing I want you to take away from it. No one's wrong, no one's right. There's just one stock market, a bunch of different choices, and a bunch of money that's gotta go somewhere, baby. So pick your cup, pick your phone, pick your video game, and let's get it on and make some money one way or another.